Hi, I'm Yosefa here with RX Safety. Today I want to take a look at the Spy Bounty Safety / sunglasses. Now, this is one of our most popular frames. It's actually been on the market for quite a couple of years, and that's just because it's a good frame. It's durable, it's comfortable, and on top of that, it's also very stylish. So let's first take a look at the safety glasses. So here is a pair of the safety glasses. Now, obviously, the most important thing is that they're actually safe. So these ones are ANSI Z87.1 approved. So if you're working in harsh environments, dealing with a bunch of different elements, these ones would be great for you. Say you have to wear safety glasses, but you don't really want them to look like your typical safety glasses. These ones are great as well because they're just a bit more stylish. Now, as you can see with the frame, they kind of have a bit of a curvature and in the front, and then also with the temples, which gives it a very tight and secure fit. The temples are also very thick, and it also has a very thick frame. Now, if I put it on, just to show you what it looks like when I have it on, you can see that it is very tight around my face. It also completely covers my eyes and makes sure that I have a wide viewing range, which is, you know, very comfortable as well, because you don't want the frame to bother your eyes. So those are the safety glasses. Oh, and they actually come in clear lenses, like these ones right here. And then they also come in the HD gray-green polarized lenses or the HD clear lenses. Now, we can also put prescription lenses in here if you require prescription safety glasses. So just head on over to our website, put it in your cart, and then you can put in all your details right there. So those are the safety glasses. Very good. These ones are the black frame. Then we also have the matte black frame, and this one is a blue frame. So let's move on to these sunglasses. So this is a sunglasses frame. This is obviously the white, but we also have the black frames for these as well. Now, the great thing about these is that it has what Spy calls a happy lens. So what is a happy lens? So basically what it does is it harnesses the beneficial aspects of long wave blue light while offering protection from damaging shortwave blue light. So what that does is it makes it more vivid, makes colors brighter, more contrast, and on top of that, it also helps you feel better by stimulating the brain's production, improves your mood, and increases alertness. These ones are also ANSI Z87.1 approved. And if you are wanting to get prescription lenses with these, we can do that for you as well. Now, if you have any more questions, we would love to help you. Either leave it in the comments or go to our website where we have a chat option and you can shoot us a message, or you can always give us a call. Now, I've also put a link in the description below to these glasses.